Okay, it's live. Chandana ma'am, you can start.
Hello, all super moms. This is Chandana Sharma, Gardens, Jamshedpur. आज के सेशन में मैं अरुण सिंह को इनवाइट की हूँ कि वो कुछ मोटिवेशनल बातें बताएं हमारे यंगस्टर्स को, और मैं आशियाना को सबसे पहले थैंक्स बोलना चाहूंगी कि उन्होंने मुझे मौका दिया इस प्रोग्राम को कंडक्ट करवाने के लिए. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग आई मस्ट से फ्यू वर्ड्स अबाउट अरुण. तो पहले तो मैं ये बता दूं कि अरुण और मैं दोनों ने साथ ही पढ़ाई की है 2 साल के लिए. सो आफ्टर लॉन्ग पीरियड टाइम मैंने अरुण से इंटरेक्ट किया और उसे इस सेशन में इनवाइट किया है. So Arun Singh has a passion for enriching the lives of people in corporates, large, small, and medium enterprises, and senior level students in MBA colleges with the intention to bring transformation in the way an entity has been working. So he has a strong belief that people and organizations have been working at a fraction of their true potential, and while following a certain process, transformations can be achieved in a short time. He's a human resource faculty and trainer, motivational and life transformational coach, and public speaker. अरुण के बारे में जितना भी बताऊंगी मैं वो कम होगा. मैं चाहती हूँ कि अरुण खुद आए यहाँ पर और आपको कुछ अच्छी बातें अपने बारे में बताएं. तो मैं इनवाइट करती हूँ अरुण को. अरुण प्लीज यू कैरी ऑन.
Over to you, Mr. Arun.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I can see quite a few people joining this webinar. And I was telling Chandra before beginning this session today that the credit does not lie with the speaker. The credit, the value, and the power always lies with the audience. Because unless the audience is there willing to grasp a couple of ideas, couple of thoughts, which I'm going to talk about, nothing is going to change. As Chandra said that I've got a passion to see that there is a transformation in the way organizations and people are working. And currently I'm working as head of HR in a multinational, but come Saturdays, come Sundays, come early morning, on any weekdays, I'm talking about 5 o'clock in the morning till say 6:30, 7 o'clock. I'm always there doing something which will help me in fulfilling my purpose, my passion, and attaining my vision of seeing that at least there is some change in the world for all the best of reasons. So my heartfelt thanks to all of you who are there with me today on this Saturday afternoon. It's not easy. It's not easy for you to spare your Saturday afternoon while listening to an Arun Singh, about whom I think none of you know. And it's not that I have attained something great, but yes, I have got something which is going to make you think differently, or at least it's going to make you pick up a couple of points which you probably might not have thought about so far. And if you just take actions on maybe 5 or 10% of things which I'm going to talk about in next 45 minutes or say 50 minutes, you will find a change, you'll feel a change. It's going to happen. It's going to happen because I've personally gone through it. I'm not going to say anything which I have not personally practiced in my life. I'm going to say everything which I have personally seen happening in my life, because I'm not a preacher. I'm not somebody who's going to just preach about something. I'm going to talk about things which I have seen happening in my life. I'm going to talk about things which I have seen happening in the lives of some of the mentees who have spent some time with me over last 2 or 3 years. And to come to the topic, Chandra, how many students might be there? I guess there are a good number of students because it's primarily for students, and of course it is for all the super moms. So when I say students, I mean super kids, because in Ashiana, it's all about super moms and super kids. So just like I'm getting a call, of course, this is not fixed. Somebody just called me, let me mute it. The world is full of distractions. The world is always full of distractions. Now, it must have been a spam call. Somebody is trying to get my mind space on a Saturday afternoon at around say 4:10 or 4:15. We all have got 24 hours and the world is full of distractions. Somebody tried calling me, maybe from Bajaj Finance or somebody. I think there are some companies which keep on calling me. I don't know. I think once upon a time, maybe 10 years ago, I might have taken some little loan. I have forgotten, but they have remembered. I must have got 200 calls from one company called Bajaj Finance. Now, it's not about a company. What we're discussing is that the world is trying to get into our mind space within the same 24 hours. When I decided to get into this field, and I decided because there was a realization about which I've written in my first book called My Pitcher Marisburg Moment, because it's all about moment. There was one moment which happened in my life, and that moment changed my way of looking at this world. But when I decided, out of one realization, I started studying this world of success. And then I started wondering why is it happening that one person called Mark Zuckerberg, through Facebook Live, we are able to interact today. I think there are so many people who are getting connected to me and to all of you, to all the super moms and all the super kids of Ashiana. Now, why is it so that this guy has been able to build something which is around $770 billion? If you go by the valuation in 2020, why is it happening in this world that one person keeps on struggling throughout his life to earn a salary of say 20,000, 10,000 per month? He's happy with that. And then one day he retires, he or she retires. The person passes away, leaves this planet Earth, nobody remembers this person. And why is it happening that within the same lifespan, maybe a shorter lifespan, a person builds something which leaves a huge, memorable, unforgettable legacy? We don't have to go too far. We can just talk about Mr. Om Prakash Gupta, right? This is the name of the founder of Ashiana. He lived for 62 years. I think he had a very strong vision. He had a very strong thinking. He had a very strong passion and purpose to see that in all the tier 2 and tier 3 towns and cities across the country, he is able to provide world's best living style. And Ashiana, I think, is the product of one person's vision, mindset, because this person had decided to do something which probably 95 to 99% people on this planet Earth are not able to think of, are not able to imagine. Why is it happening that one Bill Gates has created this whale, this huge, yes, so somebody has reminded me that it has to be a mix of Hindi and English. Absolutely, Hindi comes very close to my heart. So मुझे बहुत ही खुशी होगी कुछ ऐसी बातें करते हुए जिससे हमें सीखने को मिले और हमारा मनोरंजन भी हो, बिकॉज ऐसी कोई चीज जिसमें हम कुछ फन फैक्ट नहीं देखते हैं वो हमारे दिल को छूती नहीं है. इट्स वेरी क्लियर. कुछ तो कारण है कि जो हमारी बॉलीवुड मूवीज हैं, दबंग 1, दबंग 2, दबंग 3, डिस्पाइट द फैक्ट दैट प्रॉब्ली हमें बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने को नहीं मिलेंगी, but still we go for those movies. Of course, there is a marketing campaign which must be running into tens of crores behind each movie. I know how hard an effort Chandra has put in to see that we get more audience, हमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग मिले इस सेशन में, because हम अभी कुछ ऐसी बातें करने जा रहे हैं जो हमारी जिंदगी को बदलने के लिए काफी है. मैं सोचता था ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि एक शख्स बिल गेट्स इतनी बड़ी कंपनी खड़ी करता है कि लोगों के काम करने का तरीका पूरी दुनिया में बदल जाता है. जस्ट इमेजिन चंद्रा एंड अदर पीपल, अदर सुपर मॉम्स एंड सुपर किड्स. जस्ट इमेजिन अगर बिल गेट्स ने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम नहीं बनाया होता, उनकी टीम ने, तो आज हम घर बैठ के कैसे काम करते, कैसे सब सारे लोगों को सैलरी मिलती, कैसे सारे लोगों की जिंदगी चलती. इट्स अमेजिंग, इट्स अनइमेजिनेबल. मे बी विजन क्या है? मे बी दिस पर्सन और हिज टीम had a vision that someday, the day is not going to be far off, but someday people are going to require something like Microsoft team. They are going to require something called Zoom very soon. And the day came very soon. It came in a very, very fast way. I think it came in 2020 in a manner which was totally unexpected. आखिर ऐसा क्या है, किस कारण से ऐसा होता है कि इलोन मस्क जैसे लोगों को पृथ्वी से बाहर निकालकर मार्स में या यूनिवर्स में रहने के लिए, या उनके लिए कुछ लिविंग कंडीशंस क्रिएट करने के बारे में सोचते हैं. 18 घंटे काम करते हैं, 20 घंटे काम करते हैं, और उसी दुनिया में हमारे जैसे काफी सारे लोग हैं इस दुनिया में जो all that these people think is to just spend some time over the weekend, which is not wrong. People think of taking their car, going to nearest mall. Of course, nowadays I think hardly people going to malls, but of course I'm talking about pre-COVID days. So on a weekend, you go to a mall, spend some time, burn some fuel, and come back, and then you feel that life is done. It's a good life. And there are people like Elon Musk who did what? They are thinking of creating electric cars so that the day when the earth runs out of fuel, on that day also people keep on conveying things and moving around the world. What is that which is driving these people to do what they are doing? दुनिया कौन बदलते हैं? दुनिया बदलते हैं मार्क जकरबर्ग जैसे लोग, दुनिया बदलती है इलोन मस्क जैसे लोगों के कारण, दुनिया बदलती है ऐसे लोगों के कारण जैसे जैसे स्वामी रामदेव. So my father-in-law, Dr. Nagin Neeraj, he is working, he is there in Patanjali in Yogram. He is the third person, I think, after Swami Ramdev and Acharya Balakrishna. And I have spent some time there. I have seen these people waking up at 4 o'clock. What is that which is making Swami Ramdev waking up at 4 o'clock, maybe before that, every single day? And he has done that over the last 40 years without taking a single day's break. And actually, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा दूर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं. I have seen in my family, my father-in-law, I have seen him, and my wife tells me that पिछले 40 सालों में ऐसा एक भी दिन नहीं आया है जब वो 4 बजे के बाद उठे हों. He always wakes up at 4 o'clock, be it Saturday, be it Sunday, be it Friday, be it Thursday. Now, what is that which is driving these people? And then I started getting deeper into the subject, and then I found that though every day people have got the same 24 hours, हर किसी के पास वही 24 घंटे हैं, लेकिन एक चीज मैंने देखी कि कुछ लोगों की जिंदगी में, मन में, उनके माइंडसेट में, उनकी जिंदगी में, उनके द वे दे लुक एट द वर्ल्ड, इतना ज्यादा फोकस है. आई कॉल इट लेजर बीम फोकस. दे विल नेवर गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड. द फैक्ट इज दैट दिस वर्ल्ड इज ऑल अबाउट डिस्ट्रैक्शन. WhatsApp messages, jokes, of course Facebook of course can be used for the right reason, the way we are using it now. But then look at this world. There are Netflix, Amazon Prime, I don't know what is this serial called, Mirzapur, Family Man. I'm not talking against any serial. What I'm saying is that there are many advertisements which are trying to gain our thought process. They are trying to gain our mind space. They are trying to snatch our time from the same 24 hours. लेकिन ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि मुझे याद है बचपन से मैं सुना करता था, सचिन तेंदुलकर के बारे में लोग बोला करते थे दैट सचिन तेंदुलकर लिव्स, स्लीप्स एंड ड्रिंक्स क्रिकेट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्लीपिंग, लिविंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग क्रिकेट? He also had a friend, I do not want to take the name of the friend, we all know, because people know that when Sachin Tendulkar, before he became a superstar, he had one of his friends and both of them used to play cricket, and the other friend actually was more talented, as people say, than Sachin Tendulkar. But Sachin has never been seen as a person who is kind of partying around till late night and kind of stuff, which you actually can't correlate with Sachin. It's not wrong. People have got their own priorities. लेकिन मैंने देखा कि जो लोग इसी जिंदगी में, इंक्लूडिंग मिस्टर ओम प्रकाश गुप्ता, इतना बड़ा काम करते हैं, उनके मन में एक चीज तो बहुत ही क्लियर होती है, और वो चीज है उनकी जिंदगी में एक फोकस होता है. दे हैव गॉट एब्सोल्युटली लेजर बीम फोकस. और ये फोकस ऐसा होता है कि ये कभी भी, इट्स नॉट लाइक अ टॉर्च का लाइट जो फैलता है, डिस्ट्रैक्ट होता है, नॉट. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फोकस टुवर्ड्स देयर गोल. मतलब ये है कि वो कुछ चीजों को देखते हैं और बाकी चीजों को, बाकी बातों को बिल्कुल पूरी तरह से नजरअंदाज कर देते हैं. उनकी जिंदगी में भी वही चीज हो रहा है. इस दुनिया में हर चीज हम सबों के लिए है. डिपेंड करता है, डिफरेंस यहाँ पर होता है कि हम किस चीज को देखते हैं और किन चीजों को, किन बातों का नजरअंदाज करना शुरू कर देते हैं. हाउ टू गेट दैट फोकस? हाउ टू गेट दैट फोकस? The challenge lies in the fact that we all have got just too many things to choose from when we begin our day. And I recall that when I built some life-changing habits almost 3 years ago, and that was aimed at building that focus, which I knew is going to be very, very important for me to do what I want to do. I was just wondering, and then things have started changing at a very fast pace. The first change which I saw happening within me is that the same Arun Singh, who used to write maybe a journal, a little article of say 3 to 4 pages, that's all. If somebody goes to my LinkedIn page, you will find sort of 30 articles. Each article is not like a post. Post is something which many people do, post. But then I used to actually write articles. और मुझे याद है मैं सैटरडे संडे को 4 घंटे 5 घंटे समय बिताता था. I used to write an article and I used to get a feeling that I have achieved something. I used to see people liking the article. Some people used to send some messages. The world is a very magical place. We all get distracted in short-term gratifications. And I also used to be happy, and I also used to be lost in short-term gratifications. If I make a post on LinkedIn, it takes me 4 to 5 hours. And I start getting some likes and some kind of feedback, some kind of messages and comments from people within a few minutes. And that used to make me happy. my wife always used to ask me, मेरी wife का नाम दिव्या है, she used to ask me, अरुण ऐसा क्यों नहीं करते हो कि आपको जो बचपन से आपको लगता है कि लिखने का शौक है, जब भी आपने किसी राइटिंग कंपटीशन में कभी कुछ छोटे छोटे ऐसे कंपटीशन हुआ करते थे स्कूल में. By the way, I come from a little small town called Sindri in the state of Jharkhand, and I have got a very interesting connection with, I think there is some connection with Ashiana. So मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई की, जैसा चंदा ने बताया, साइंस कॉलेज पटना, जहां पर आई थिंक आशियाना का एक सबसे पहला प्रोजेक्ट आया था, मुझे याद है, पाटलिपुत्रा पटना में. Then Jamshedpur became my karma bhumi, मेरा वर्किंग स्थल बना for many years while working in Tata Steel. And I think आशियाना के कुछ प्रोजेक्ट जमशेदपुर में हैं. And then I think राजस्थान में काफी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं आशियाना के. And very interesting to know and for me to share that we have got a property in Ashiana Rangoli. I don't know if somebody is there from Ashiana Rangoli from Jaipur. We have got a house there.
रंगोली से है ना
कोई तो होंगे, I guess. I hope somebody is there. But what I'm trying to say is that there is something called law of attraction.
Yes, I am from Rangoli Garden.
Oh wow! What's your good name?
परवेश कुमार.
परवेश जी, so हमारा घर है रंगोली गार्डन में. और एक्चुअली जब मैं बोलता हमारा घर है, मैंने अपना घर नहीं, मैंने बोला हमारा घर. इसका पीछे एक बात यह है कि ये घर मेरे फादर इन लॉ डॉक्टर नागेंद्र नीरज का है. अगर आप गूगल में जाएंगे, यूट्यूब में जाएंगे, जस्ट टाइप डॉक्टर नागेंद्र नीरज, आप बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स देखेंगे उनके और स्वामी रामदेव के. तो ही इज वर्किंग योग ग्राम और उनका घर वहां पर. सो आई हैव बीन टू रंगोली. And then I went to Ashiana Garden in Bhiwadi also. Beautiful society. I remember once, because we had a factory in Bhiwadi. We still have got a factory while working in Tata Blue Steel. We had a factory. और वहां पर एक होटल है, द ट्री और समथिंग, द ट्री, ब्यूटीफुल होटल, आई थिंक डन, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ आशियाना. और मुझे लगता था भिवाड़ी में, जहां पर ऑल दैट पीपल यूज्ड टू सी जस्ट स्मोक एंड लॉट ऑफ साउंड एंड नॉइज, in that small place there is a beautiful society called Ashiana. There is such an amazing hotel called the Tree, if I'm correct, that in those days.
Tree House Hotel.
Tree House, absolutely right. And this credit goes to a person called Mr. Om Prakash Gupta. I think he is the founder of Ashiana. Now Om Prakash Gupta जी के पास भी एक ऑप्शन था कि भाई एक 3 BHK घर खरीद लें, एक नौकरी चलते जाए, वीकेंड में कभी फैमिली को एक कार में लेकर चलते हैं, मॉल जाते हैं. जयपुर में तो बहुत सारे मॉल्स हैं. I've been to some of these malls, Gaurav Tower, Purana, पिछले समय का मॉल है. Now there are many new malls now. And let me come back late night after watching movie and after drinking a can of Coke and then guzzling a few tubs of popcorn. He also had this option, but he didn't go for this option. Why did it happen? और जब मैंने ये स्टडी करना शुरू किया, मैंने देखा कि इन सारे लोगों के बीच में, चाहे बिल गेट्स हो, चाहे मिस्टर ओम प्रकाश गुप्ता हो, चाहे मिस्टर स्वामी रामदेव हो, चाहे डॉक्टर नागेंद्र नीरज हो, चाहे whatever you talk about any author, there are many authors, based on authors, be it the person who created this chain of bookstores called Crossword, be it Mark Zuckerberg, be it Warren Buffett, just name it. You just name it. Any person about whom you get a feeling that this guy is doing something which is not done by 99% people on this planet Earth. What is this? What is that which is going through the mind of this person? और आप हमेशा ये देखेंगे कि इन लोगों के सोचने का तरीका अलग है. नाउ आई यूज्ड टू वंडर, क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है, आखिर ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि मार्क जकरबर्ग पहले $780 बिलियन की प्रॉपर्टी क्रिएट करते हैं, एंड देन ही डिसाइड्स टू गिव इन चैरिटी 99% ऑफ हिज वेल्थ. व्हाई इज इट हैपनिंग? आखिर ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है कि बिल गेट्स के पास इतना पैसा है, फिर वो अभी भी काम करते हैं. ही इज वर्किंग फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 14 to 15 hours a day, I can tell you, because he is the chairperson of Bill Gates Foundation. And through this foundation, he's spreading a lot of joy, happiness, a lot of transformation across the world. He's the person who is working on sanitation projects for African countries, for many countries. The impact is huge. He has got a huge budget, which is being spent every year. मैं अक्सर सोचता हूँ कि स्वामी रामदेव जी जिनका परिवार नहीं है ना, he also says that, अकेले हैं वो, एक कपड़ा पहनना है, 40 सालों से, just imagine, 40 years, he has not taken a single leave. And some people might not believe it, because I know that many people have got their own thoughts about Patanjali and Swami Ramdev. Let me talk about one person from my family, and I think I spoke about it. Dr. Neeraj, 40 years, not a single day's leave, always working. And I see that if you look at these people, they're always full of energy. कभी थके हुए नहीं रहते हैं, कभी थके हुए नहीं लगते हैं. If you look at this Facebook live on Swami Ramdev's page, every day morning 5 o'clock he becomes live. उनका 5 से 7:30 के बीच में एक live होता है, and then he takes half an hour break to change, and then again he comes on India TV. And then because I have been there in Yogram for a week or so, and I've seen these people being busy, from 4 o'clock in the morning till 10 o'clock in the evening. And then I started studying, and then let me share with you what I found. The first thing which I found is that within this same 24 hours, everybody is going to see things differently. We all catch different things within the same 24 hours. For example, if अगर आप जस्ट इमेजिन करें अपने आशियाना, जहां भी आप जिस भी आशियाना में रहते हैं, अपने जस्ट गार्डन के बाद जस्ट इमेजिन करें कि आप अपने गार्डन में जाकर खड़े हो गए हैं एंड देन जस्ट लुकिंग एट द गार्डन. आई कैन टेल यू दैट हर कोई उस गार्डन में अलग अलग चीजें देखेगा. If I just ask people to just name one thing which you normally see in the garden, you will find that everybody will most likely, to the extent of 99% probability, will name a different thing. For example, a super mom will see whether the playground is safe or not. She will try to see whether the kids are going to be safe while playing. A kid is going to look at simply one thing, and that is how many playgrounds, whether the swing is working well or not, isn't it? A writer would like to look at something based on which a writer can actually create a book or write something. A person who is for example a sports person is going to see whether in that garden there is an open space where the person can play a game of football or cricket or not. For him, nothing else matters. What matters is whether he gets to see some clear playing ground or not. And what is happening is that हम हर कोई उसी जगह में रहते हुए अलग अलग चीज इसलिए देख रहा है कि हमारा जो माइंड की कंडीशनिंग है वो अलग अलग तरीके से होती है. Now, people, I think many of you might have heard this, and मुझे याद है मैंने ये लाइन देखी थी ऐसे करीबन 20-25 साल पहले जब मैं टाटा स्टील के गेस्ट हाउस से बाहर निकल रहा था जमशेदपुर में, और मुझे अभी भी याद है. It read like, it said that your thoughts become your words. हम जो भी सोचते हैं वो हमारे words बन जाते हैं. And that's the reason I always tell people to always stay positive, always think in a very optimistic manner, because whatever you think, you create a world around yourself as per your thinking. मुझे याद है चंदा, मैं हॉस्टल में काफी समय तक रहा हूँ, कम से कम 10 से 12 साल में रहा हूँ. And I used to see that some students at times they used to be very depressed for whatever reason. और जब भी वो डिप्रेशन में जाते थे, सैडनेस में जाते थे, उनके रूम में जब भी आप जाओगे, उनके रूम में हमेशा वो पंकज उधास की गजलों के सारे भरे रहते थे. वो था उल्ला खान के कैसा सिला दिया तूने. I don't know what used to happen. Because of their thought process, their entire room used to be full of all these sad songs.
Yes.
And then I used to see some other students who were absolutely happy-go-lucky. They are like, they used to, even those times, they used to hear all those kind of dance numbers and kind of yo-yo honey sing kind of songs. Two students who are neighbors, who are just living in rooms which are just adjacent to each other, they are having absolutely different choice of songs based on their mindset, based on what is going through their mind. Just a very small example. And then I started saying, and then coming back to this sentence, so your thoughts become your words. हम जो भी सोचते हैं उसके बारे में बातें करते हैं. In my words, as I speak, I think you'll hear this words like passion, words like motivation, words like positive thinking, some of these words. Thoughts become words. Words become actions. हम जो बोलते हैं वही हम धीरे धीरे करना शुरू कर देते हैं. Thoughts become words. Words become actions. Actions become our habits. If we do something on day-to-day basis, every day, if you do something regularly, it becomes something known as habit. And I've seen that happening with me. The same Arun Singh used to get up at say 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock on Saturday, Sunday, and then used to get a cup of tea and then used to, get busy in thoughts as how to manage my office work. I used to start thinking about the stress, which a stressful day called Monday, after noon on Sunday. The same person, how did it happen that once I decided and once I made my vision board, now we shall be talking about vision board. ऐसा क्यों हुआ कि एक बार मैंने अपना vision board बनाया, and I took 2 full days time. I went to a jungle along with some group of 20 people. There was a nice cottage close to Pune. There are beautiful places. There is a place called Mulshi. This is the same place Mulshi में Mr. J.N. Tata, Mr. Jamshed Ji Nasarwan Ji Tata का बनाया हुआ पहला टाटा पावर का डैम है और पावर प्लांट है. It's very old, more than 100 years old, and it's a beautiful hilly terrain. मैं वहाँ पर गया था, 2 दिन में रुका था. It was raining, and then I did what? I just did one thing, which I'm going to share with you. My vision board I made. And then my life changed completely. All of you, I can share with you, not idea is not to brag, but let me share with you. Over the last almost 2 years, there has not been a single weekend when I didn't get up at around 5 o'clock, or maybe before that, maybe 5:50. Except a few days when when I couldn't sleep early. Maybe the days when I could sleep at 3 o'clock. So of course I had to take some time. Saturday, Sundays, waking up early at 5 o'clock, writing my books, recording videos, talking to people, coaching people, and whatever, whichever way. The idea is to see that I can share my life lessons with people, and I can share my thoughts with people. And one thought, of course, we shall not be talking about that. What I saw is that एक चीज होती है हैबिट्स. एक बार मैंने अपने हैबिट्स बदली, पूरी दुनिया बदल गई. महात्मा गांधी का एक सेंटेंस है, आई थिंक हम सभी ने पढ़ा हुआ, लेकिन आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी पीपल हैव एक्चुअली अंडरस्टूड इट. उनका एक सेंटेंस है और ये कहता है कि इफ यू बी द चेंज which you want to see around you. And what I have seen is that, and that also happened with me till I was 44, till I became 44 years of age, till I attained this age. I have seen that whenever there is a problem in my life, whenever there used to be a problem in my life, all that I used to do is to look at others to change. मैं चाहता था मेरे बॉस बदल जाए, उनका नेचर बदल जाए, मेरी कंपनी का वैल्यू सिस्टम बदल जाए, मेरे आसपास के लोगों के सोचने का तरीका बदल जाए. दुनिया में ऐसा क्यों होता है कि लोग दूसरों को ब्लेम करते हैं? बाद में मैंने एक रियलाइजेशन देखा अपनी जिंदगी में कि दुनिया तब तक नहीं बदलेगी जब तक हम खुद अपने आप को नहीं बदलते. The world is never going to change unless we change ourselves, and that's very interesting a fact. Then coming to this word which you're talking about, so thoughts becoming words, becoming actions, becoming habits, and habits becoming our destiny. हमारी सिर्फ सोच की बदौलत हमारी पूरी जिंदगी बदल जाती है. अब यहाँ चैलेंज ये कि हम अपनी सोच को कैसे उस दिशा में मोड़े, उस दिशा में परिवर्तित करें जिस दिशा में हमारी सक्सेस का रास्ता है. बिकॉज दिस वर्ल्ड इज फुल ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शंस. हम नेटफ्लिक्स देखते हैं, बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स आते हैं. देयर आर मेनी ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स. वी आर वॉचिंग न्यूज चैनल्स, रिपब्लिक, समथिंग इज हैपनिंग इन कोलकाता. Mamta Didi is not keeping well, and Mr. Modi is having something to say, and the world is full of people who are trying to get our mind space, as I said. Now, how to gain that focus so that we are always focusing on what is important for us? हमने दबंग तो देख लिया, हमने बहुत सारे movies देख ली, लेकिन what about the movie of our life? The fact is that we all are acting in a movie of our life. This is our movie. और मजे की बात यह है इसमें कि इस मूवी में हम ही डायरेक्टर हैं, हम ही एक्टर हैं, हम ही राइटर हैं, and this entire movie is going to be scripted by us, and we are the people who are actually going to play a role on the stage of life. Now, how to ensure that this movie of our life is also played in our mind? और ये मूवी, जिस मूवी की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, I'm talking about the movie of success, the goals, the dreams which we all want to achieve. ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हम सभी के मन में एक ड्रीम होता है? We all have got some dream in life. I'm pretty sure that all the super moms, all the kids, all the children, everybody who is watching this live telecast on Facebook Live, they all had some dream which was stuck in their mind and heart somewhere. Somebody since childhood days wanted to become a dancer. Somebody wanted to come to the stage and enthrall the audience of thousands of people through their skill of dancing. Somebody wanted to become an author. Somebody wanted to become a singer. Somebody wanted to become a teacher. Somebody wanted to become a motivational speaker. Somebody wanted to have his or her own company. So we all had our own dreams. Somebody wanted to play piano. Among all the kids, I'm pretty sure kids, would you like to share your dream? For example, अगर आप आंखें बंद करते हैं for a minute and just think about your life. What is it you want to become? Which is that picture which always at times keeps on coming to your mind? Because as I said, this world is magical. Magical इसलिए कि जैसे हमने एग्जांपल लिया, हम एक ही जगह पर रहेंगे और हम दूसरी चीजें देखेंगे. This happens. Different people will see different things. This world is magical because उसी 24 घंटे में एक आदमी कुछ ऐसी चीजें बना डालता है जो बाकी लोगों के बिन कल्पना के भी परे होता है. People can't even imagine about it. And the fact is that this world is magical because every person, including everybody who is watching this Facebook Live, has got at least one seed of talent. People call it talent. People call it God-gifted talent. People have got different names given to it. But the fact is that Everybody has got one seed of talent. हम सबों के अंदर में एक शक्ति तो है, एक ताकत तो है. And what I have seen is that हम सबों के अंदर में एक से ज्यादा टैलेंट्स हैं. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हमारे अंदर एक फीलिंग होती है, इसको बोलते हैं डर, फियर और लैक ऑफ करेज, जिसके कारण हम लोग उस सीड को जो भगवान ने हमारे अंदर दिया है, उस सीड को सनशाइन या पानी या फिर उसको प्रोटेक्शन या केयर या फिर खाद या फर्टाइल ग्राउंड देने से वंचित रह जाते हैं. Somehow we are not able to do what we are supposed to do. But I know that if a person who likes playing piano, if I just take this example, मान लीजिए किसी बच्चे का एग्जांपल लेते हैं, सुपर किड का, जिनको पियानो बजाना पसंद है, जिनको अच्छा लगता है. Just imagine if you go to a mall, there are malls in Jamshedpur in all the cities now, and suppose there is a piano kept in the lounge. और मॉल में काफी सारे outlets हैं, Zara के shops, and there are beautiful international brands. Just imagine if a family enters the mall, wives may be looking for some of these shops which are having international brands. Father may be looking, in case the father likes reading a book like me, he will be looking for whether there is a crossword in this mall. But just look at this kid, think of this kid. जिस बच्चे को पियानो बजाना पसंद है, he will only be looking at the piano. He or she will be only looking at the piano the moment the family enters the mall. Now, why is it happening? जिनको पियानो बजाना या for that matter कोई भी म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाना पसंद हो, हमेशा जब भी शॉप में कहीं भी जाएंगे, किसी मॉल में जाएंगे, किसी मूवी में देखेंगे उस इंस्ट्रूमेंट को, they will always be glued to that instrument. That is because this world is full of magic. This is God's way of reminding you of your talent. And God will keep on doing it. He will keep on doing it once, twice, thrice, many times. But the problem is that there is one quality which makes all the difference, and that quality is known as courage. मैंने क्या देखा है कि जब तक हम अपनी जिंदगी में courageous decision नहीं लेंगे, तब तक हमारे अंदर को टैलेंट, जो सीड ऑफ टैलेंट है, वो टैलेंट का सीड, वो बीज ही बनकर रह जाएगा थ्रू आउट आवर लाइफ. We shall never be able to see this seed becoming a sapling becoming a tree, and the tree bearing fruits and giving shade to millions of other people. Just think about the seed of talent, seed of liking or passion or purpose, which Mr. Om Prakash Gupta had within him. Somewhere he had got this seed of, giving world-class facilities in tier 2 and tier 3 cities and towns of India. He had the courage. He also had the option of joining a job, getting a salary, and spending his life while getting the salary and just spending some time with his family. But he had the courage to take this very courageous decision of creating a company on his own, which is today known as Ashiana Gardens, Ashiana Society, Ashiana Group. And just imagine, it is because of the tree which he has created that there are thousands of people. I think there are 6,500 families who are living in one of these Ashiana societies. They are getting the shade of all the great thoughts which he saw, which he had. So मैंने देखा courage is very important. Now, how to gain this courage? How to gain this focus? Let me show one example from my personal life. So let me share the screen. And I hope you can see the screen in a few seconds. Can you see the screen, all of you?
Yes, we can.
Very nice, thank you. So let me share with you a couple of pictures. So this is one, I think I'll just do something so that you can see the screen. Yeah, so I think I'll keep it this way only, this is okay. So you can see this is an acknowledgement, and this is, and this is coming from one of my mentees. Her name is Seema Dhal. I don't know whether she's also seeing this live. I got in touch with her almost 2 to 3 years ago, and she's living in the state of Jharkhand in Noamodi. Her husband is working in Tata Steel. She wrote a book, and at that time, I think she got in touch with me when there were some challenges which she was facing, and then very soon we got into a kind of one-to-one assignment where we used to interact once in a week on Sunday for 1 hour. And then we decided on the strengths, on the passion, we also made the vision board for Seema Bhabiji. And then she became an author, and she put my name. Of course, now I call myself as Arun Singh, but this is my full name, which is kept in this is in the book, which she wrote after 1 year. Now, how is it happening that she's writing a book, and how is it getting connected with the book which I wrote? This is almost 7 to 8 months ago when this book was about to be launched. I wrote one book, then second book, and then third book. and then fourth book is going to be launched by November this year, and fifth book is going to be launched through one of the nationwide publishers by the end of this year. So 5 books in 18 months. What is happening here? I'm not trying to brag about my writing abilities. All that I'm trying to say is that it has got very strong connection with something which I'm going to talk about now. How long a time, Chanda, we have got? कितने minutes हमारे पास हैं? 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, so we shall get into the topic which I wanted to share. And then this is all linked to, this is my vision board, if you can see this. और अगर आप, और ये vision board मैंने बनाया था करीबन 2 से 2.5 साल पहले. And if you just look at one part of this vision board, this has got purpose, big, hairy, audacious goals. It has got the ability to, you know, the keenness to contribute to the society. It has got core values and some of this stuff. But if I just zoom it in, ये 2.5 साल पहले का vision board है. Just if you just look at it, it has got a stack of books. कहीं ना कहीं मेरे मन में था कि भाई मुझे किसी दिन कुछ किताबें तो लिखनी है. And if you count the books, it's exactly 4 books. And by the end of this month, I'm going to have at least 4 books in 18 months' time. Well, what happened and how did it happen that the same Arun Singh who wanted to write a book, but all that he could do was to just write एक article मैं लिखता था 4 से 5 पेज का, और मैं 45 साल की उम्र तक मैंने किताब लिखने के बारे में सोचा नहीं. मैं तो सोचता था, मैं लिख नहीं पाता था. और अचानक ही because of this vision board which is there on this wall, मैं आपको दिखा नहीं सकता but ये इस wall में लगा हुआ है, because इस vision board का सबसे important बात ये है, and I'm going to spend 15 minutes time while talking about this vision board only. सबसे इसके बारे में महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि हम जब भी विजन बोर्ड बनाते हैं अपना, उसको हमेशा हम अपने कहीं घर के वॉल में ऐसी जगह लगाएंगे जहां हमें हर जगह हम देखें. Because Chanda, I think you know that there are everybody who is working corporate life. Yes. You know, there are many training programs. I remember when I used to go for some training programs while being in Jamshedpur. At the end of every training program, I used to be given a bag full of reading materials. Actually, जो मैंने कभी नहीं पढ़ी. Sorry to say that, मैं कभी पढ़ नहीं पाया. मुझे बाद में जब मैंने स्टडी किया सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कैसे काम करता है, एंड दिस विजन बोर्ड इज डायरेक्टली लिंक्ड टू हाउ टू ट्रेन आवर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. वी शैल टॉक अबाउट इट. जब मैंने बाद में पढ़ा तब मुझे लगा कि जो चीज हमारे आंखों के सामने नहीं होती है उसके बारे में हम लोग सोचते नहीं है. अगर हमें हेल्दी डाइट बनाना की हैबिट बनानी है, हमारे घर के टेबल में कुछ ड्राई फ्रूट्स एंड कुछ हेल्दी फूड्स रखना ही होगा. वी हैव टू कीप इट एब्सोल्युटली विद इन रीच. अगर हमें अपने जिंदगी के गोल्स के बारे में, विजन के बारे में, पर्पस के बारे में, सक्सेस, कोर वैल्यूज के बारे में सोचना है, वी नीड टू राइट इट, मेक इट. एंड कैसे इसको कहाँ मैंने बनाया था, दिस इज, यू कैन सी द चार्ट पेपर, नॉर्मल चार्ट पेपर, राइट. सो इस चार्ट पेपर में बनाया हुआ है. सो आई जस्ट टॉक अबाउट इट नाउ. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमें अपने जिंदगी के गोल्स के बारे में सोचना है, लिखना है. We can call it vision board, you can call it goal sheet, you can call it anything, goal sheet or goal drawing or vision board or whatever, the story of my life, my board, whatever. But I prefer calling it vision board. इसको बनाकर हमारा काम खत्म नहीं, हमारा काम actually वहाँ से शुरू होता है. So what we are supposed to do is to paste it on a wall where our eyes can see it every single day. और इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? So normally what happens is that I conduct this session in two sessions. So one is 1 hour session in which we talk about vision board, and then in the second session, which is a workshop, we take some 2 hours time, maybe 90 minutes time, where people actually make their vision board. But अभी मैं कुछ explain करने जा रहा हूँ, इसके बेसिस में आप लोग अपना vision board आराम से अपने जहां पर भी हैं अपने घर पर आप बना सकते हैं. आपको चाहिए क्या होगा और क्यों बनाएंगे? जस्ट लास्ट वन लाइन. हम लोग अपने जिंदगी के मूवी के बारे में कुछ सोच रहे हैं, and we are putting a pictorial representation of the goals which we want to attain in our life, and then we are displaying that vision board at a place where our eyes can see it every day. And then what will happen is that we shall start gaining that laser beam focus, because हम लोग क्या करें, हम हमेशा वही चीज सोचेंगे, उसी चीज के बारे में सोचेंगे जो हमें हमारे विजन बोर्ड में मेंशन किए गोल्स के करीब ले जाती है. And everything which is not helping me in attaining my goals will start falling away. That is called cutting out on distraction. And that is where this is very important for all the students, because I know that the students have got a lot of time on social media. I know that super moms must be trying their best to stop the students and kids to they should not spend much time on social media, but this happens. This is the reality of this world. So उनको अपना distraction कम करने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है, make a vision board for each student and put it there on the wall and let them see. They will see it automatically every single day. और जब भी वो देखेंगे vision board, उनको याद आएगा कि hey, whatever be the name of the kid, say Arnav. Hey Arnav, you have written a goal. You have written a goal to become one of the best singers. Hey Arnav or hey Vinay, you have written a goal of writing a book. Hey Vinay, you've written a goal that you want to be the top student in your city. Hey Vinay, you have made a promise to you that you will become a lighthouse, just like I have written here. A lighthouse means a person who can at least share some of the lessons which the person has gone through in his own life. And just see this word, this number of 11.5 crore people is the number that I want to spread my message to. Now that's something which people will laugh at, right? Because पता नहीं मेरे दिमाग में आया कि 1.5% population on this planet Earth I can think of touching the lives of. So हमारे अर्थ हमारी पृथ्वी में कितने लोग हैं? 800 करोड़ लोग हैं. Now how can I do that? And once I did that, it made me a completely different guy. This is the reason why I've been writing so many books. Now, this is the reason why I have been having my own YouTube channel, which has got 170 videos. Now, this is the reason whenever I get a time, including this time on Saturday, I will always talk to people. For example, in last 7 days time, this is my second live session. I had my first live session with, now I can reveal the name of the company, Infosys. I spoke with 100 women leaders and employees of Infosys on Monday, while it was a working day for me. Where there is will, there is way. और वो will कहाँ से आएगा? वो will power कहाँ से आएगा? वो focus कहाँ से आएगा? That will come from vision. But it's as simple as that. You know, Chandra, many people ask me, tell me, how can you write 5 books in 18 months? And tell me, why are you writing it? Of course, these books are pretty interesting books because these are known as motivational thrillers. Once you start reading the book, you can't finish it off. You can't put it down unless you finish it off. This is the reason. This is the secret. Because on the top of this vision board, you see a small stack of books. Likewise, I'm going to fulfill each element which is there on this vision board because this is kept in front of my eyes every day I see it. It talks about health. I will certainly spend at least 90 minutes, if not more, on my health. You can see a dumbbell kept there. It's not a dumbbell which I do actually. I spend some time while watching Facebook Live of Swami Ramdev, and I do some kind of, some of these very back-breaking yoga asanas every single day. Or I do something, or I'll go for a walk. I'll do something. I'll find time because I made a promise to me. And because it's not like I made a promise to me and then I've kept this book somewhere, I've folded it and kept it in a box. Not at all, it's kept right in front of me. So children, now let's talk about how to make vision board. Very simple, not more than 10 minutes. आपको क्या करना है? आपको लेना एक chart paper. Number 1, just go on writing chart paper. Number 2, you have to take some old magazines. Just talk to your parents, super moms, ask them and get some old magazines which will be having some pictures, जिसमें कुछ तस्वीरें होंगी. Because जहां आपने देखा हो कहीं के तो मैंने कुछ pictures draw की है और कहीं के मैंने क्या किया है उनको मतलब पुराने मैगजीन से पिक्चर काट के मैंने चिपका दिया. That is called collage. Let's make our dream collage because vision board is nothing but our dream collage. This is about doing something which we have been dreaming of since our childhood days, and I am pretty sure that this is applicable to all the super moms as well. Somebody wanted to become a dancer, but then something happened. The society said, hey, you can't even think of becoming a dancer because you do not have time. Hey, you have to take care of your kids also. Hey, Mrs. So-and-so, you also have to take care of your husband and the society. And then some people started laughing at our dreams. Some people didn't say much in front of us, but then we could see that they were kind of ridiculous. They were not very happy. They were not very. They were not actually motivating us. The world is beautiful. The world is also about conspiracy, because this is a world where most of the people are going to talk about our weaknesses. Very few people like Arun Singh will talk about our strengths. दूसरी चीज जो आपको विजन बोर्ड, पहले आपने पेपर ले लिया, कुछ पुराने मैगजीन्स आपने रख लिए, एक सीजर लिया, पेयर ऑफ सीजर, ताकि आप उसमें से कुछ पिक्चर्स काट के डाल सके. कौन से पिक्चर आप काटेंगे? जो आपके विजन के, आपके गोल के नजदीक. अभी आप पूरी तरह से नहीं समझेंगे. आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन टू यू नेक्स्ट 5 minutes टाइम. आपको इस विजन बोर्ड में 5 से 6 चीजें रखनी है. सो लेट मी स्टॉप शेयरिंग. आपको इस विजन बोर्ड में 5 से 6 चीजें रखनी है. पहली चीज, यू हैव टू राइट 1 liner. एक लाइन में लिखना आपको आपका विजन मीन्स क्या. विजन मीन्स व्हाट. आपको जिंदगी में ऐसा क्या एक चीज है जो बड़ी चीज है जो आपको हासिल करनी है. यू वांट टू बिकम अ डांसर, यू वांट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर, यू वांट टू बिकम अ कार्डियक सर्जन, you want to become a sports person, you want to become a singer, you want to become a CEO, managing director of a company, you want to create your own company. आपको बिल्डर बनना है, जस्ट लाइक मिस्टर ओम प्रकाश गुप्ता had decided this was his vision to become a builder who is going to change the course of this world, of this country, right? So आपको जो भी एक लाइन में आपको लिखना है, just one line, that is the first thing you're going to write on your vision board. One liner vision which explains why do I feel I came to this planet Earth. It's a little heavy word, but मतलब ये है कि मेरी जिंदगी का why, क्यों मैं वो कर रहा हूं जो मैं कर रहा हूं. So सबसे पहली चीज हम विजन बोर्ड में लिखेंगे छोटे से कम वर्ड्स में, मैं क्या करना चाहता हूं, what is that I want to become. For example, in my case, I can write that I want to become a coach, author, and motivational speaker. I'm just giving one example. और इसमें वर्ड्स कम से कम रहेंगे और पिक्चर्स ज्यादा से ज्यादा रहेंगे. After this call, I'm going to send on WhatsApp to Chanda certain, just a few examples of vision board which Chanda can circulate to all the people. So you can just see some samples also. पहली बात आपका विजन एक लाइन में. दूसरी बात आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स, आपकी शक्तियां, आपकी मजबूतियां आपको लिखनी है कम से कम 5. Let me tell you, once you start writing, you can write minimum 10. The problem is that बचपन से हमारी इससे कंडीशनिंग हो जाती है. हमारे नेबर्स, कभी कभी हमारे टीचर्स, कभी कभी हमारे ताऊ जी, हमारे कभी ताई जी, कभी हमारे ताया जी, कभी हमारे अंकल, they will indirectly or directly keep on reminding us of our weaknesses. ये दुनिया की रीत है. Don't worry. Let's be positive. Let's smile. This is the way the world runs. अगर सक्सेस पाना इतनी आसान हो जाती, इतना आसान होता तो दुनिया में 100% लोग फेसबुक का क्रिएटर बन जाते. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी पॉसिबल, बट इट इज गोइंग टू पॉसिबल फॉर पीपल हु आर गोइंग टू स्पेंड सम टाइम व्हाइल टॉकिंग अबाउट दीस थिंग्स व्हिच आर टॉकिंग नाउ. इट्स पॉसिबल. पहला हो गया विजन. दूसरी बात है आपकी शक्तियां, आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, चंद्रा हैज गॉट अ स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, शी हैज गॉट अ स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ थिंकिंग अबाउट अदर्स, शी हैज गॉट अ स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग पीपल टुगेदर. That's a very, very valued strength. So she has to write about her strengths. Third thing, आपको लिखनी है, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन, आपको तीसरी चीज लिखनी है अपनी 5 अचीवमेंट्स जो आपने अभी तक प्राप्त की हुई हैं. 5 accomplishments और achievements which you have already got. तीसरी चीज, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग आपको आपकी अचीवमेंट्स के बारे में, आपकी उपलब्धियों के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे. So we want to talk. I want you to think about your achievements. Everybody has made many achievements. Think about it. Write it down. It may take some time. First thing, एक लाइन का विजन, आप क्या बनना चाहते हैं. दूसरी चीज, आपकी मजबूतियां, आपकी शक्तियां, आपके स्ट्रेंथ्स, कम से कम 5, मे बी 3 भी चलेगा. 3 से 5 minimum. Everybody has got a strengths. Everybody on this planet Earth. Everybody, including any person that you can think of. Even the person who does the gardening work of Ashiana has got some very, 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 very strong strengths, if I can say so. It's just that people may not be aware of the seeds of greatness which are hiding within us. And this explains why there are so many videos on YouTube where a person who didn't have anything, the person didn't even have basic qualification, has created a company worth 200, 3,000, 1,000 crore. The world is full of such stories. We can talk about these stories later on. First, vision. दूसरी चीज अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स. तीसरी चीज अपनी उपलब्धियां, कम से कम 5 accomplishments you have to write, because I want your brain to start thinking about the goodness about you, about your strengths, and that will be the first step towards attaining a great future. It's going to happen. Fourth, your passion. What is passion? Passion is something which I can go on doing. ऐसी चीज passion बोलते हैं जो हम करते जाएंगे and we shall still not feel tired. If you ask me to write a book for 10 hours, I'll write for 10 hours. I'll not get tired. Maybe I'll take a break for 20 minutes every 2 hours, but I'll keep on writing for full day and I'll still not get tired. Just think about this fact. आप में से कुछ लोग जिनको डांसिंग का शौक है, they will love dancing. Actually, when you do something which you love, your energy level goes up. It goes up. It does not come down. Right? So, vision, अपने strengths, अपनी accomplishments, अपनी achievement. चौथी चीज अपना passion, something which you love doing. Just write it down. Whatever comes close to your mind, whatever comes close to your heart, whatever you feel, you can just go on doing without getting tired. Just write it down. This is known as passion. Passion could be playing a game. Passion could be speaking. Passion could be dancing. Passion could be something which is very close to your heart. Just write 1 or 2 or 3 passions which are very close to your heart. पांचवी चीज, आपकी जिंदगी के गोल. Students, is very important for you students. It's 4 minutes before 4 o'clock and we shall complete it on time, and then we shall have some 2 or 3 minutes when you can ask questions. So students, आपको अपनी जिंदगी के गोल्स क्या होते हैं? गोल्स होते हैं 2-3 टाइम होराइजन में. हम 6 महीने में कुछ छोटे गोल प्राप्त करना चाहते हैं, लिख डालिए, जस्ट राइट 6 months डेडलाइन, एग्जैक्ट पुट द एग्जैक्ट डेट, गोल नंबर 1 टाइम फ्रेम 6 months, एग्जैक्ट डेट ऑफ कंप्लीशन, सिंपल। गोल नंबर 2 टाइम फ्रेम से 1 year, exact date of completion, you write the date 1st of January 2022, just write the date very clearly. Goal number 3 3 years, goal number 4 5 years, goal number 5 10 years, goal number 6 15 years, goal number 7 25 years, you choose the time frame. लेकिन आपको ये बहुत जरूरी है सोचना कुछ देर के लिए, it's very important for you to just think, just sit in silence for half a minute, think about your goals. जब मुझे यहाँ से अगर जमशेदपुर जाना है, मुझे पता है जमशेदपुर जाना, only then I will take a flight from here to Kolkata, maybe, and then from Kolkata I will take a train, I will come to Jamshedpur, right? But हमें अपनी जिंदगी का गोल के बारे में हमने कभी सोचा नहीं है। ऐसा मैंने काफी लोगों के बारे में देखा, almost 95% of people never think about the goals of their life. जिंदगी में हर दिन हम सोचते हैं हमें कहाँ जाना है, किस नेबर के यहाँ जाना है, कहाँ पर मूवी देखनी है, कहाँ पर टीवी देखना है मुझे, लेकिन जो सबसे बड़ी यात्रा हमारी जिंदगी की, दैट इज द जर्नी ऑफ आवर लाइफ. In this journey, we do not know which are the milestones, which are the stations which we want to go to, and which is that ultimate greatness, the goal of greatness which I want to achieve. Write it down. So students, first thing which we have discussed, हमने पहली बात क्या डिस्कस की, अपना विजन एक लाइन का, ज्यादा वर्ड नहीं, कम से कम वर्ड्स में. दूसरी बात, अपने स्ट्रेंग्थ्स, राइट. तीसरी बात, अपनी कम से कम 5 उपलब्धियां. And every student, every super kid has got at least 5, if not more, accomplishments, achievement, irrespective of your age. I'm pretty sure about it. Write it down. अगली बात हमने क्या बोली? Passion, something which you love doing, dancing, and this is true with anybody, not only with a student. This is true with super moms as well and super dads as well. Absolutely. You know, Chanda, when I went for my vision board exercise in Mulshi, close to that, one of the first dams in India. In Mulshi, one of the participants was of 62 years of age. और 2 दिन बाद भी मुझसे बोले, अरुण जी मुझे पता नहीं चला मेरी जिंदगी का विजन क्या है. मैंने बोला कि बॉस, कुछ तो कारण है, आप अभी भी सोच रहे हो, कुछ तो कारण है कि you do not have the clarity, and that's where you are struggling. Of course we all are struggling in our life. At some point in time we all struggle. It all happens. But just imagine the same person had done this vision board exercise when he was 20 years of age, maybe 15 years of age. Just imagine his life would have been a different life. So विजन बोर्ड सबके लिए जरूरी है, इसमें एज का कोई बैरियर नहीं होता है, और दुनिया में कोई अच्छी बात करने के लिए कभी भी देर नहीं होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, KFC का फाउंडर ने KFC का पहला आउटलेट कब खोला था? आई डोंट नो वेदर एनीबडी नोज इट. एट द एज ऑफ 63 years. 63 years. मैकडोनल्ड्स, पहला मैकडोनल्ड्स, मिस्टर रे क्रॉक, ही ओपनड इन द व्हेन ही वाज 52 years. 52 years. हमारे टाटा स्टील में लोग अभी रिटायरमेंट का सोचना शुरू करते थे, राइट? आई हैव सीन दैट. इट्स नेवर टू लेट इफ यू वांट टू बी ग्रेट. इट्स नेवर टू लेट इफ यू वांट टू बिकम ग्रेट. और जिंदगी में मैंने देखा लोगों को छोटे छोटे उम्र में इतने तहलके मचा चुके होते हैं कि लोगों को विश्वास ही नहीं होता कि इतने कम उम्र में बंदा ऐसा कर कैसे सकता है. बिकॉज दिस पीपल हैड अ विजन, एंड लेट मी टेल यू, एनी सक्सेसफुल पर्सन हैज नॉट बिकम सक्सेसफुल विदाउट अ विजन. एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. वंस अगेन, vision, strengths, your accomplishments, your achievements, your passion, right? Your goals. कम से कम 4 से 5 goals लिखिए आप. And then there is a last thing which I talk about, and that is called core values. मेरे विजन बोर्ड में भेजूंगा, चंद्रा को कॉपी भेजूंगा मैं अपने विजन बोर्ड का. उसमें लिखा हुआ 3 core values. उसमें एक core value है to keep on learning with each passing day. I read, you can see some books are kept here. But then once I started walking on the journey, once I started traversing the journey of greatness, I found that, or learning, not greatness, learning, I found that मैंने पहले सोचा कि किताबों से मैं कुछ सीख सकता हूँ, but then उसके बाद तो किताबों की बात छोड़ दीजिए, अभी कुछ भी आप दिखाइए मुझे, मैं उससे कुछ ना कुछ सीख सकता हूँ. For example, Chandra, can you name one thing which is there at your home right now? Just tell me one thing. Just take the name of one thing which you can see at your home now.
Flowers.
Glass?
Yeah.
ग्लास. जिंदगी में सबका ग्लास पूरा भरा हुआ है, सबका ग्लास पूरा भरा हुआ है.
Okay.
आधा भरा हुआ पानी से, आधा भरा हुआ हवा से, और हम क्या सोचते हैं कि मेरा ग्लास आधा खाली है, और हम जिंदगी भर रोते रहते हैं. मेरी जिंदगी का गिलास खाली है, हाय मेरे को काश शाहरुख खान मिल जाता यार, मेरे को ऐश्वर्या राय जैसी सुंदर पत्नी. I don't know, I'm just taking some example. You know what I'm saying is that why don't you look at the greatness, why don't you look at the blessings, the you know blessings which are there around us. You know, I call it I was just looking at looking for a suitable word in Hindi, attitude of gratitude. Why don't we learn to remain why don't we make this habit to be in, to have the attitude of gratitude. अब भी अगर हम लोग चाहे, अगर हमारे पास कुछ समय हो तो अभी हम लिखते हैं, कम से कम 20 चीजें हम लिख सकते हैं जो हमारे आसपास अभी हो रही है, हमारी जिंदगी में हो रही है, जिसके लिए हमें भगवान को धन्यवाद देना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर लिविंग इन अ ब्यूटीफुल सोसाइटी कॉल्ड आशियाना. In this country, there are millions of people who do not have a proper home. I know for sure that in Mumbai, which is very close to the place I live in Pune, there are more than 10 lakh people who are living in a slum, biggest slum in the world called Dharavi. I know for sure that there is a family of 7 people in the slum called Dharavi live in one hume pipe. Can you imagine? First blessing, we have got a beautiful home. Second blessing, we have got this beautiful technology through which we are all getting connected and sharing some inspiring thoughts and ideas. Third thing, we have got a beautiful, nice family, super moms who are caring for the kids. There are many people who do not have this kind of family love and bonding. And believe me, Chandra, if you start counting, we shall take 3 hours time, we shall write hundreds of blessings. The thing is that we shall be absolutely surprised and shocked. कि यार मेरे आसपास इतनी blessings है, मेरे को पता नहीं था. Coming back to the glass. The glass of life is half full with water for everybody and half empty as the world sees it. But now that we are talking to each other on this Saturday, let me tell you, and please believe in what I'm saying. And I'm pretty sure that you're going to see the light in this. I'm pretty sure some of you might already be believing in this. जिंदगी का ग्लास हमेशा भरा हुआ है. जब भी अच्छे मौके आते हैं, खुश रहिए. जब भी चैलेंजिंग मोमेंट्स आते हैं, do what I wrote in this book. Adversity is the mother of transformation. What I saw is that whenever life throws challenges, that is where the seed of greatness lies. And I have given examples after examples after examples in the life of Ram. Lord Rama को जब अयोध्या से बाहर जाना पड़ा, 14 साल के वनवास में उनकी जिंदगी बदल गई, became Lord Rama. महात्मा बुद्ध को जब उन्होंने घर छोड़ा, he went to jungle, he spent 10 years, he became Gautam Buddha. महात्मा गांधी, उनका पहले का नाम था मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, यहां से जब भारत छोड़ के गए साउथ अफ्रीका, वहां पर उनको ट्रेन से बाहर फेंका गया, he became Mahatma Gandhi because he started thinking about the discriminatory, the mindset of discrimination. Before that, all that he used to do is to look like Britishers. But एक बार गलती प्रॉब्लम आया and then his life changed. So अच्छे मोमेंट से सीखेंगे, चैलेंजिंग मोमेंट से सीखेंगे, हर समय सीखेंगे, हर समय ग्रोथ करेंगे. आपको that's a different topic on which we can have a separate call, that is known as the mindset of a winner. कुछ भी होगा, मैं तो अपने आशियाना खड़ा कर दूंगा. मेरे को रोड में फेंक दो, मैं वहां से उठूंगा, अपना आशियाना खड़ा कर दूंगा रोड के किनारे. That is what all these people have done. Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, or any person. Elon Musk was on the verge of getting bankrupt. His entire company would have been closed, but he did all that he has done. Anyway, so going back, I hope students, you all have noted down, because this is a limited time and time is very precious. Every minute is very precious. We have to learn the art of living in every second and every minute. Make your every minute count. Make your every minute count in a manner that आप हर मिनट सोचते हैं उसके बारे में जो आपकी जिंदगी के गोल्स के करीब आपको ले जाता है. और उसके लिए सबसे अच्छा तरीका है टू मेक योर ओन विजन बोर्ड. और आपको ये करना है कि विजन बोर्ड बनाते समय ज्यादा से ज्यादा पिक्चर्स यूज करने हैं. पिक्चर्स, वर्ड्स जितने कम उतना अच्छा होगा. जितने ज्यादा पिक्चर्स करिए उतना ज्यादा अच्छा होगा. चूंकि अगर मैं आपको बोलता हूं कि एक चॉकलेट का नाम लीजिए, मान लीजिए आपका फेवरेट चॉकलेट, सपोज समबडी सेज कैडबरी से सिल्क. कैडबरी सिल्क का CADBURY, आपको स्पेलिंग दिमाग में नहीं आता, आपके दिमाग में आता है कैडबरी सिल्क का दैट पिक्चर, यू नो, दैट माउथ वाटरिंग पिक्चर, दैट मोल्टन चॉकलेट. दिमाग, सबकॉन्शियस माइंड हमेशा पिक्चर ढूंढता है, वर्ड्स नहीं. ऑलवेज यूज एज मेनी पिक्चर्स एज पॉसिबल. सामान चाहिए आपको, चार्ट पेपर, एक सीजर, पुराने मैगजीन्स which you can get from through your parents, and then crayons, sketch pens and some colors, and use as many sketch pens and crayons as possible, and paint your vision board. Do not write your vision board, paint your vision board. And once you paint it, put it there on the wall and see it every day, and then we shall talk about some time, and then you'll see the magic happening. You'll see the magic happening, because then your mind will start getting focused towards all that is important for you. और ये सारे जो Netflix के जो serials हैं ना, जो सारे WhatsApp and all that, they will start getting away from your life. How does it happen? It's magic. I can't say more than this in this time, limited, but I think we had a good time. And of course, we can have another session going forward. Chanda, it's over to you, and then we can have some question and answer, because unless you ask, things are not going to get clear. Please ask questions. Just unmute your mic and speak and ask.
Anybody is having any question related to this topic? they can
Please ask questions. Unless you ask, things will not be clear. Ask the right person and keep on asking till you get it. These are the 3 secrets of life and success. Ask the right person and keep on asking. So let's have
How
the
in your vision board, sir, in your vision board, there was one word written BHAG, bhag.
very
What does that
interesting.
mean?
Very interesting. BHAG भाग and goal दोनों सेम ही है. दोनों सेम ही है, because BHAG का मतलब होता है big, hairy, audacious goal. एक वर्ड है जो एक हमारे राइटर है जिम कॉलिंस, उन्होंने किताब लिखी थी गुड टू ग्रेट, बिल्ड टू लास्ट. उनके 2-3 किताबें हैं, गुड टू ग्रेट, बिल्ड टू लास्ट एंड ग्रेट बाय चॉइस. उन्होंने एक टर्म बनाया था बिग हेयरी ऑडेशियस गोल. बहुत अच्छा आपने सवाल किया, बहुत ही अच्छा सवाल किया आपने. मतलब क्या है कि गोल ऐसे सेट करो कि डरावना हो, भयानक हो, पसीने छूट जाए आपके. मतलब ऐसा उसको बोलते हैं मैसिव गोल. मतलब अगर आपको मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर बना तो ऐसा गोल सेट करो कि एक दिन जब मैं मोटिवेशनल स्पीकिंग करूं तो 10,000 लोग उस स्टेडियम में खड़े हों और मेरे लिए तालियां बजाएं. Keep that goal. That is the kind of goal we are talking about, and that is the kind of goal which is known as big, hairy, audacious goal. Mean ऐसा कुछ हो जो जायंट जैसा हो, डरावना, खतरनाक राक्षस जैसा हो, जो देख के पसीने छूट जाए. क्योंकि दिमाग चाहता है एक्साइटमेंट. जहां आपने सिंपल गोल लिखा कि शाम को हमें कुछ सब्जी बनानी है और फिर सब्जी बनानी है, दिमाग विल नॉट गेट एक्साइटेड. जस्ट इमेजिन व्हेन वी वांट टू वॉच अ मूवी, हम कोई मूवी देखना चाहते हैं, तो मूवी में अगर सुपरस्टार्स होते हैं तो ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट फील होता है, और मूवी में कोई सिंपल कैरेक्टर एक्टर्स होते हैं तो एक्साइटमेंट फील नहीं होता है. आपका माइंड हमेशा ढूंढता है मैसिव 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 गोल, और हम क्या करते हैं, छोटे 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 सोच और छोटे 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 एक्शंस. वो क्यों करते हैं उसका अलग से कारण है जो हम लोग बाद में बात करेंगे. वो हमारी सोसाइटी का एक छल प्रपंच है जिसके कारण बचपन से हमारी कंडीशनिंग कर दी जाती है, छोटा 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 सोचो. दैट्स अ सेपरेट टॉपिक, बट थैंक्स फॉर आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन. सो व्हाइल राइटिंग गोल्स, राइट बिग गोल्स, ह्यूज गोल्स. ऐसे गोल जो आपको अभी लगे कि इम्पॉसिबल हैं. अगर किसी ने नहीं सोचा होता है कि लोहा जो पानी में डूब जाता है उसको इस्तेमाल करके हम लोग समंदर में स्टीमर जहाज बना सकते हैं. किसी ने कभी कल्पना की होगी. बिग हेरी ऑडेशियस गोल है कि ऐसे जहाज बनाए जो सिर्फ लोहे से बनाए जा सकते हैं, लकड़ी से नहीं बनाए जा सकते हैं. एक समय था, काफी सालों तक लोग सोचते थे कि लकड़ी से ही हम लोग जहाज बना सकते हैं, बिकॉज लकड़ी पानी में तैरता है, ऑब्वियस. किसी ने बोला नहीं, मैं स्टील का जहाज बना के दिखाऊंगा, नहीं मेड इट. जस्ट इमेजिन राइट ब्रदर्स, कभी जब उन्होंने लोगों को बोला होगा भैया हम भी आकाश में हवा में उड़ सकते हैं, लोग बोलेंगे क्या बात करता, पागल है तुम यार, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली मैड. अगर उसने ये मैडनेस नहीं दिखाई होती, had he not kept this big hairy audacious goal of flying in the sky, would have been still living in our own continents and islands and countries. Thanks for this question. Ask, because this is the most important part of this entire interaction. Questions kijiye. I know Chandra must be looking at the watch, but maybe Chandra, if you got some 5 minutes more, I think you are the best person. Some more questions.
The super moms, they may have some questions. Anyone else?
Please go on. Help me in sharing my thoughts. Please ask questions, because this is the most important part. And as I told you, I learn from everything, including glass and anything. Actually, I can write a book on each article and each object which you are seeing, including glass. And we shall talk about it in one of the upcoming sessions. But let's have some more questions. Any question? I can see some people have written some messages in chat box. You can say also. So, yeah, I think somebody's written something. Just to share, मैं आप सबों के साथ मैं just एक share करना चाहता हूँ. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम लोग एक लाइव वर्कशॉप करें 1.5 घंटे का, जहां पर हम लोग लाइव विजन बोर्ड बनाएं सबों के लिए, आई विल बी हैप्पी डूइंग दैट. Chandra, you can just think it over and let me know on over a weekend, because this is my purpose. You have seen my vision board. मेरे लिए एक पर्पस है, पैशन, आई विल बी हैप्पी. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, प्लीज आप लोग कोशिश कीजिए कि एक चार्ट पेपर लीजिए, क्रेयॉन्स लीजिए, कलर्स लीजिए, कुछ पुराने मैगजीन्स लीजिए, कुछ ग्लू लीजिए, कुछ अपने विजन बोर्ड को सजाने के लिए, you can take something like this, you know, like this is thing. You can just cut some part of this and then you can also stick it some, you know, decorative stickers and blah blah blah, and paint your dream board. Maybe tomorrow is Sunday, कल कर डालिए आप. और आप याद रखेंगे, अभी आपको लगेगा क्या बात कर रहा है यार, पता नहीं करें नहीं करें, 2 घंटा लगेगा, थकावट होगी, थोड़ा सही लगेगा, बट एक बार आप बनाएंगे, आप रखेंगे, आप वही करेंगे जो मैं कर रहा हूँ. 46 साल तक 4 पेज का आर्टिकल, 45 साल की उम्र तक, और अभी पिछले 1 साल में 5 किताबें. मैजिक, दिस वर्ल्ड इज मैजिक. बट मैजिक को कैसे एक्सपीरियंस करना है, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, एंड दिस इज जस्ट वन ऑफ द सेशंस, वी कैन हैव मेनी सेशंस. यस, अगला सवाल.
नहीं, यहाँ मैं बोल रही हूँ चंदना, यहाँ जितने भी सुपर मॉम्स ने इस गोल्डन पेपर को देखकर एक ब्यूटीफुल क्राउन तो जरूर डिजाइन करेंगे अपने विजन बोर्ड के लिए, बिकॉज सभी सुपर मॉम जो है ना इस क्राउन को डिजर्व करती है.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Exactly.
Very nice.
So, Rati, I hope there is no question now.
Yes, ma'am. There is no question.
Okay, so from my side, I think let me take this opportunity to congratulate and wish a very happy International Women's Day to all the super moms of Ashiana family. And you people absolutely rock, because this is the first group which has even thought of inviting me to deliver a talk like this. Because there are so many people, so many societies, but I don't know how many people are actually thinking of having these kind of interactive sessions. So thanks. So congratulations once again. Attain all the success in life.
So thank you so much, Mr. Arun, for this very informative session. And thank you so much, Chandana ma'am, for organizing this session for us. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining this session.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ashiana. Thank you, Arun.
Thank you so much. Try to take some of the actions, because unless we take actions, things do not change. जैसा स्वामी रामदेव जी बोलते हैं कि योगा और कर्म योगा, योगा और कर्म योगा. So we have to take some actions.
सर, आज आपने बहुत अच्छी बातें बताई.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I think it was just the tip of the iceberg. We have got
nice information. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Chandana. Thank you, Rati ma'am.
Thank you, Babita ji. Thank you, Kavita ji. Thank you, Krishna ji. Everyone present here. Vandana
Thank
Maurya.
you, sir. Thank you, Chandana ji. Thank you, all super mom.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, everyone.
सर, आपके सेशन के बाद हम लोग भी अपना विजन बोर्ड बनाएंगे.
बिल्कुल बोर्ड बनाइए, फिर आप देखिएगा मैजिक होना शुरू हो जाएगा. पूरी दुनिया
जी,
मैजिकल है. वो
जी,
ग्लास
जी.
की तरह ना पूरी दुनिया में मैजिक समाया हुआ, हर कण कण में मैजिक है. और